Welcome to VAR News Hour. Crypto ban could lead investors to move underground and obtain cryptos and trade illegally. The government released a list of 26 bills, including the cryptocurrency bill, to be tabled in the coming winter session of the Parliament. There have been widespread speculations of an imminent crypto ban in the Indian crypto circuits and trading circles. There is a high grade of investments that have been in the country into crypto, and investment worth hundreds of crores of rupees being driven into the crypto economy by the 15 to 20 million Indian crypto investors. Banning cryptos would not only prove a technological challenge for the government but also mean huge capital funds moving to the other countries. A cabinet note says the government will regulate cryptocurrencies in the country rather than imposing a ban on their use. The note reportedly states that cryptocurrency will not be recognized as legal currency and describes the currency as crypto assets. These assets will be regulated by India's market watchdog, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, and citizens will be required to declare their assets and refrain from keeping them on exchanges outside the country. Individuals holding crypto will be given time to transfer their assets once the bill becomes law. Failing to transfer within the time frame will lead to financial penalties. Now, can India, which has ever been at the forefront of changing the digital landscape, afford to miss this $1 trillion worth of global opportunity? The industry doesn't feel so. From the threat of a blanket ban, the industry has witnessed several positive developments. The crypto awareness in the country is rising and a full-fledged statutory bill is underway. Unlike China, no democratic country can afford to ban cryptocurrencies, including India. Developed nations like the US, the UK, Japan, Australia, etc. have regulations and require exchanges to obtain a license before procuring business in the crypto markets. The US SEC considers crypto as securities for tax purposes, while Japan recognizes them as legal assets. While the income from cryptos is treated as a miscellaneous income and taxed accordingly. India can learn a lesson or two from these nations. Setting the implications aside, what can be the possible alternative course that the government can take while keeping in mind the interests of the stakeholders in the crypto industry? For the first step, the government needs to define the scope and meaning of the term private cryptocurrencies. If the definition concerns ownership rights or anonymity of transactions, almost all the cryptocurrencies would be private except significant cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum that the miners collectively own. Similar to the crypto norms prevalent in other nations, exchanges could be asked to procure a license and follow stringent KYC or AML procedures to dissuade money laundering and terror financing activities. The bright side is the government can take the initiative to learn the stance of the stakeholders in the country and conduct extensive research into the implications of adopting a CBDC system alongside cryptocurrencies. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. MeitY releases strategy on blockchain for its adoption in government systems. The Electronics and IT Ministry has released a national strategy on blockchain for adopting the technology in government systems, especially for e-governance services, with an aim to develop state-specific blockchain applications on the shared blockchain infrastructure. The ministry has adopted a multi-institutional approach for the national blockchain framework, which includes CDAC for research and development of the framework, NIC and NICSI for hosting the national level blockchain infrastructure and offering blockchain as a service. The government expects that the strategy document will provide the necessary guidance and support for realizing the vision and creating a nationwide ecosystem for creating the national blockchain platform and development of relevant applications using this platform in various domains. Mukesh Ambani spoke on building a digital society. India is rising high in digital innovation, and it's nice to see Mukesh Ambani leading the bandwagon of real-time innovation. Ambani at an event at Gift City spoke about digital society. He explained the 4 major transformations that he saw during his lifetime when he was part of 2 of them. He says, it's great that we have moved from T+7 to T+2 and now T+1. But I am a believer in real time. Everything will settle in real time. Smart contracts will become real. He also added that blockchain is a technology. I believe in it and it is different from cryptocurrency. Dell and AWS collaborate to strengthen against the growing ransomware attack. Dell Technologies and Amazon Web Services have teamed up to bring Dell's Cyber Recovery Vault in the AWS marketplace with the launch of Dell EMC Power Protect Cyber Recovery for AWS. Through the AWS marketplace, customers can easily purchase and deploy an air-gapped cyber vault from Dell to help securely protect and isolate data away from a ransomware attack. Dell EMC Power Protect Cyber Recovery for AWS provides multiple layers of protection with a modern approach that allows AWS customers to resume normal business operations quickly and confidently after a cyber attack. OneWeb is providing satellite internet services in remote areas, says Sunil Bharti Mittal. OneWeb, jointly owned by Bharti Enterprises and the British government, has started providing internet connectivity in all areas that are above 50 degrees across the globe, said Sunil Bharti Mittal, founder and chairman of Bharti Enterprises. OneWeb has launched 322 satellites in the low Earth orbit of the total 648 planned to offer internet services to everyone across the globe. Speaking at the Infinite Forum virtually from the Gift City on December 3rd, Mittal said test results so far have been delightful. Latency is less than 50 milliseconds and speeds are 100 Mbps or more. So it's looking like a final solution to connect those people who have been left behind. So I am very excited about this. I call it a telecom network in space. Deloitte acquires Oracle Cloud infrastructure firm Bias. Deloitte announced it will acquire the assets of Bias, a cloud consulting firm and Oracle Cloud infrastructure specialist based in the United States and India. Terms of the deal were not disclosed. Bias has more than 350 employees across offices in the United States and India. This acquisition complements Deloitte's existing portfolio of Oracle Cloud application and infrastructure capabilities and expands its customer base to emerging and enterprise businesses that require Oracle Cloud migration services, according to a statement released by the company. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.